Once you've been accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program, you get a storefront on Amazon and a unique link you can share on your social media platforms. Your storefront is like your personal shop. This is where people can see your video, your shoppable videos, photos, idea lists, live streams. It's where brands can find you and reach out for collaboration. And so today I'll be showing you how to set up your storefront. But first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Bez. I'm a stay-at-home mom and digital income mentor. On this channel, I share mom-friendly and beginner-friendly side hustles you can do from anywhere with just your phone or a laptop. You don't need to be tech-savvy. You don't need to have any degrees. So guys, once you get approved, you get a storefront like this. It won't look exactly like mine because mine has been customized. You're going to have prompts that will tell you to put your name, your bio, your cover picture, and to accept the terms of services or an agreement. So remember, for the terms of services, the main things: do not share your earnings, do not put Amazon's logo on promotional videos, and make sure that you attach all social media platforms that you're using to promote. So let's just come to edit profile. If you come to edit profile here, I have my profile picture, I have my display name or base. Make sure that your name on your storefront is the same name that you have on your social media platform, the platform you use to apply. You put a bio, a short plain bio. Here you put your links. So right now I have just my Instagram link, the link that I used to apply for the program. If you want to add TikTok, you add it on here. Remember, whatever links you add on here is going to show on your storefront. I'll show you that in a bit. So you don't necessarily have to put all the links here to make this place crowded. You can put it in the back end. This is the front end. So once you have all of these, you just have to go to save changes. And now let me show you how people see your profile. If you come to go to public view, this is how the public sees your profile. They see your name, they see your bio, profile, and everything. So this is what I was talking about. You see, I have my Instagram logo right here. If I put any other social media platform, it's going to show up here. So this is why I don't want this place to be crowded. And let's go back to private view. So for you to share your links, you just need to come to this little arrow. If you tap on it, you have where you can share your links. You can share it through email, Facebook, Pinterest, X, or you could copy the link and send it to someone directly. Main things, that's how you set up your storefront. Now moving forward to the main things that you do on your storefront, these are them right here. You have create content, manage content, stay reporting. Forget about all these paying things and all of these. These are just attachments that I use to know which products are best for me to review. So we'll make a different video on that. When you come to create content, you tap it down. You have the option to create a shoppable video or a shoppable photo, to create a collage, to create an idea list, or live stream. So for the post, it can be a video or photo. Yeah, the collage is a mixture, or it's a bunch of videos you've put together, or a bunch of pictures you've put together. For the idea list, this is something that maybe you don't have the products yet, but you plan to get them. Let's say you want to get some products for Christmas decorations, but you don't have it yet. So you can create an idea list and you tag those products on Amazon, so people can start shopping what you have as an idea, but you don't have the product, you haven't reviewed the product yet, but that's the idea that you have. Then once you have live streams, if you want to go live, or once you're able to go live, this is where you click to go live on the live streams. All right, I'm not eligible to go live yet. Well, so that is it. So let me show you how you can post a photo or video from your laptop. If you click on photo or video, it's gonna show you this point here. So you tap on this and you click on the photo that you want to upload. Click open. Okay, so now Amazon has visual matches. Based on what I have on that photo, it has already picked up some of the items that I have on my photo. So it's already tagged them. But I don't want to rely on Amazon's tagging. I want to do my own tagging. And so I'll untag these ones and I'll come to browse history. Remember, I told you before you review or before you post something, you can just take a picture using that icon on the search bar. So it shows on your browse history and it's easy for you to tag them because there's so many products on here. So I'll scroll down to the products that I want to tag that I have on that picture. It's a baby must have for Prime Day. So I'll put this baby carrier, I'll put the sound machine, I have this diaper changing pad. Let me go back. I have this diaper changing pad. I'm sorry. Okay, I click the diaper changing pad. I click the high chair. Okay, let's say I want to tag those four. So after putting the tagging, this is where you put your title. So I put Prime Day baby deals. After putting your title, you click save and you submit. So you can decide to submit, you can decide to save it as a draft, you can decide to schedule it so it goes live at a certain time. So once you have done this, it's going to send. I already have this on my storefront, so I don't want to submit this again. It's going to be a duplicate. So once you do that and you submit, you come to your storefront, you see everything that you have on your storefront. Now, moving back to your storefront, when you come to manage content, this is where you see all the photos and videos that you have posted in the last 30 days. So let me come to the videos. You see everything that I have right here. I'm sorry, guys. I've been struggling this morning with my audio. If my voice is too low, I'm going to get it sorted out. So this is how it looks when you come to manage your content. You have everything that you've posted in the last 30 days. So this is where it shows you the status of your video. All of this show published. If it was a case where I have gone against a guideline, it's probably going to show needs attention, or it's going to show pending if it was still in a review. It shows you the average duration that people have watched it. This video was just up last night. So it shows you the average duration they've watched it. It shows you the percentage. It shows you the placement. So this placement is showing on mine because I have those extensions attached to my storefront. So it shows you the placement if you're bottom, your top, or neither of them. This is where you can download the videos. Let's say you've already made your videos and you upload them to Amazon platform. You don't have them anymore on your phone, but you want to use those videos for something else, or you want to now start posting them on your YouTube channel. You can come back to this manage content. You download the video, or you download the thumbnail that you used. If you click on this button, it's going to download. Moving forward this to this end, you have where this button here tells you if you want to delete that content, and the next one by it shows you more option. So if I click on more option, this is where if you want to edit it. So let's say I want to edit my title, I'll come over there and edit. If you want to do more tagging, or you want to remove some of the tags or add some of the tags, you can tag it again. That's once it's already approved. If you want to add more tags, you can come to this place to tag it. Then I just click save and submit. Okay, so that is going to go, it shows video updates, video has been submitted. It's going to go for review again. Each time you change something on your back end, it's going to go under review again. So be mindful how you change things, because sometimes when you're adding more tags or you're changing titles, Amazon might decide, oh, now this is something that goes against our guidelines, I won't upload it anymore. So this is what you have under managed content. If we come over here, so see reporting. So under see reporting, this is where you see all your deals, all your sales that you've made for the month or for the quarter, just depending on the setup. Sorry, excuse me. Depending on the custom date range that you have, you're going to see everything here. So for mine, this is October 2nd, yesterday. This is how much I made. This is the summary. This is the commissions that I made. You can always change to see how far along or whatever reporting within the time range. You can change it here. So under reporting, you see what you've sold. And this store ID right here, this is their on-site store ID. So it is ONMAZ. You have two store IDs if you have stepped into the Amazon Influencer Program. You have your on-site store ID and you have your off-site store ID. So this is your on-site store ID. For you to see your off-site store ID, you just have to click on it and you switch to get the next one. So the next one is going to show you if you made any off-site sales or if you have any off-site commissions, depending on the time frame, the time range that you put as well. So this is it. This is how it looks. On this hamburger here, you have different items. You have the reports. You can check up your reports here. You can see your storefront. If you want to go back to the storefront, it has other tools that you can use to generate links. It has promotions. This way you can have creator connections. You can have deals. It has the Creator University. This is YouTube basically teaching you how to use their program. It has the account settings and preferences. So let me show you for the account settings and preferences where you can go to attach any other links of social media platforms you're using to advertise. So if you come on here, you go to account settings, skill list. So you see down here, I already have all the different websites where I'm promoting my links. I have my Facebook, I have my Facebook page, I have Pinterest, I have Instagram, I have TikTok. Even though I don't promote on TikTok so much, but every now and then I post something, so I have it. I also have my YouTube, everything linked back here. So just to be safe, you linked everything so Amazon knows how to track you and they know that you're complying with their terms of service. So these are the different things you can do on your storefront. Each of these icons have in-depth actions you can take inside. So you have where you can create content, manage content, actually where you can see your reporting. So on here where you have curations is just like let me say this is like a bunch of things that you've put together so it makes your audience or whoever is coming to your page easy to search for things. So like here I have kids corner. That means I've put all the videos, all shoppable videos, all shoppable photos, all IG lists that I've made, anything concerning kids, and I've put it under this curation kids corner. So if I open this, you see that I have videos, I have photos, I have an idea list. This is an example of an idea list. So toddler toys. This is just the items that maybe I've not reviewed this yet, but this is the things that I think toddlers will have. So this is how the idea list look like. So that's what you have under curations. The curations have a mixture of everything: videos, photos, idea list, and live streams. You has everything inside here. You put that at the top of your storefront to make it easier for any person who's coming to your profile so they don't have to scroll through all the 214 posts or how many thousand posts that you have on your page. They can just come to exactly what they're looking for. If somebody wants to check home finds, they can just come under home finds. They know they're going to see what they're looking for on this page. It makes it easier for them to come on here. I also want to talk about thumbnails. I love using thumbnails on my videos. I haven't gotten to some of these recent videos that I just uploaded, but I love using thumbnails on my videos. Let me show you an example. So my storefront looks uniform. So this is how it looks. You can just go to Canva and you find, for the thumbnails, you need to use a size for a YouTube thumbnails because any other size will not work. The YouTube size, that's what works. So go and look for any YouTube thumbnail. Find something colorful. You see what mine says. Is it worth it? Then on the corner, I have the picture of the product. So I just put the thumbnails on my page to make it look uniform. So this is it about setting up your storefront. I'm going to make subsequent videos showing you different ways you can earn, how you can utilize the different Amazon resources that I've given. If you have watched this video up to this point, please like and subscribe. Everything that you do on this channel helps me grow. It encourages me to keep showing up. If you have your questions, leave them down in the comment section. I'm still doing my Amazon Influencer Program Explain series. You can reach out to me on Instagram at Mompreneurs, and I will answer you or get back to you. And so that is it. Until next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.